Hey, what's up guys? Today's video, I'm going to show you how you can enable voice assistant in your Gemini app. Simply launch your settings application. You will see a search bar. Tap onto it and type in Google Assistant. Now as you do that, you will see Assistant Settings. Select Assistant Settings. Scroll below. Select Digital Assistants from Google. Make sure Gemini is selected. Once done, launch Gemini app. Now, at this page, you will see this microphone icon. Go ahead, tap onto it, and likewise, you can go ahead and speak up here. In case the microphone is not showing up, you might need to give access to Gemini. For that, long tap on the Gemini and tap on the eye icon. Here, tap on permissions. It says no permission allowed. So you may go ahead and give permission for microphone if it shows up. If not, you can simply go ahead, use the microphone. It will work for you. Thank you for watching.